Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up make.com scenarios for no-code app integrations step by step clearly. To set up make.com scenarios for no-code app integrations, start by visiting the make.com website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button to begin. You will be taken to a new screen where you can choose your apps. Search for the first app you want to integrate and select it. After selecting the app, choose the specific action or trigger you want to use. Now, connect your account by following the prompts, which may require you to log into the app. Once connected, you can configure the settings for this action or trigger. Click on the plus icon to add another app to your scenario. Again, search for the next app you wish to integrate and select it. Choose the action or trigger for the second app as you did for the first. Connect the account for the second app, just like you did previously. Set up the required fields to map data between the two apps. To define how data will move from one app to another, use the mapping tool. Make sure to test each connection by using the Run feature. This will help you identify any mapping issues before finalizing your scenario. After testing, click on the Save button to save your scenario. You can schedule your scenario by setting the frequency of how often it runs. To activate the scenario, simply toggle the switch to on. Now, monitor your scenarios for any errors or needed adjustments. Once everything is set up, you can explore adding more apps or refining your automation. Congratulations, you have just set up your make.com scenario for app integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.